Corrosion is the enemy of industry. The cost of repairs and reworking of components adds up to millions of dollars each year. Here are some examples of machine components that have not been adequately protected from the environment. You can see the rust on these surfaces, and in some cases these can be remachined. In others, they will need to be discarded. Prevention really is better than cure. CRC has an extensive range of products designed specifically to prevent and combat corrosion on all metals and electrical components. We have both coatings and compounds. Coatings are hard, dry, permanent films, usually resin-based. CRC has Zinc It, Bright Zinc, and a range of coloured zincs. These are all permanent coatings designed for use in protecting metals. Plastic coat and urethane are coatings formulated to protect electrical components. We also have compounds which are removable, both natural-based, like LanaShield, and our oil and wax-based compounds. These are all removable, either by wiping or with solvents like brake clean. The oil and wax-based products are the anti-corrosion compounds. There are 4 compounds in the group, and each has its own properties and applications. We'll start with anti-corrosion light dry film. It creeps over all exposed metal surfaces, so is ideal for damp or dusty storage environments. Here we are using it to prevent rust forming on nuts and nails while in storage. The clear light film will creep over all these items before drying. It's excellent in high humidity situations or after water-based machining, as anti-corrosion light dry film displaces moisture. Anti-corrosion light wet film is a real workhorse and great for preventative maintenance around the factory or farm. It provides excellent corrosion resistance and also drives out moisture. This is a light wet film that won't dry out and will creep quickly to cover all surfaces. Being wet, the residual film is also an effective lubricant, and treated parts can be placed into service without removing the film. Anti-corrosion light wet film keeps machinery, valves, drives and cables corrosion-free and working properly. For ongoing protection, it is easily reapplied without build-up. CRC also has a heavy wet film which provides corrosion protection for metal parts and assemblies. Anti-corrosion heavy wet film offers protection for dies, moulds, tools and assemblies for up to 2 years without reapplication. Ideal for use before warehousing of parts, and because it has excellent lubricating properties, internal components can be put into service or assembled without removing the film. The heavy wet film can be removed easily with CRC brake clean. Finally, CRC has an anti-corrosion heavy wax film which provides extreme corrosion protection to metal and electrical parts. It will provide protection in adverse outdoor conditions, even exposed to salt spray. This compressor is being prepared for shipping to Asia, and the heavy wax film will protect the exposed drive shaft during shipping and storage. This barge had internal corrosion threatening the seaworthiness of the craft. A thorough spray of anti-corrosion light wet film displaced any remaining moisture, and then the entire interior was coated with anti-corrosion heavy wax film. It is now protected against the harsh salt air environment for a very long time. So the anti-corrosion compounds cover every requirement: light dry film, light wet film, heavy wet film, heavy wax film.